Module 3 is entitled Ethical Issues in Research Processes. First, we have to define ethics. 1. Ethics is the branch of philosophy that investigates both the content of moral judgments, and we're talking about what is right and what is wrong, and their nature. For example, whether such judgments should be considered objective or subjective. Second, the principles of morally right conduct accepted by a person or a group or considered appropriate to a specific field. In psychological research, for example, proper ethics requires that participants be treated fairly and without harm, and that investigators report results and findings honestly. Research ethics is the values, principles, and standards that guide the conduct of individual researchers in several areas, including the design and implementation of studies and the reporting of findings. So in this module, the learning objectives are as follows. Define ethics as it pertains to ethical research. Identify ethical concerns within the research process. Recognize the professional codes of ethics. Increase awareness and sensitivity to ethical issues in research. And explain why it is necessary to consider ethical issues when designing and conducting research.